Welcome back, students. In this class we will be studying about format specifiers. Now this is very important because this gives more precision, accuracy to the C language. In other words, using format specifiers you will be able to get what you really need from the user. And not only that, you will also be able to tell the computer what you really need. Now, having said that, let me give you an example. Given a question, you are expected to find the circumference of a circle. Now, you know the formula to be as 2 pi r. Now, pi as a value 3.14, and using this you can find the circumference of the circle. But what if they ask you to take the value of pi as 3.14285? In that case, the answer that you will be getting will be different. So let me show you this let me take the calculator, and I'm going to be calculating the value of the circumference for, say, the radius being equal to 3 units. Now let us find it out. So 2 times 3.14 times 3. So this is the value that we are getting, 18.84. Now if I were to use the value of pi as 3.14285 multiplied with the radius, then this is the value that I'm getting, 18.8571. So I hope you're able to understand what exactly I'm trying to show you here. This is going to be another example to understand the meaning of specification. So imagine you have 100 US dollars, or say 1000 US dollars, or say 10,000 US dollars, and you want to change it to RMB, to renminbi. Now, the rate that is going is that for every US dollar, you are given, say, 6.47. So this is the format that they are following. So now you got 10,000 US dollars and you are expecting to get a sum. So let us see what happens when you change 10,000 US dollars to renminbi. You are getting 64,700 renminbi. So have this in your notebook to understand what we are going to do now further. Now you go to another cambio and you find out that 1 US dollar is going to be offered a value of 6.47372. So this cambio is giving you, or this money exchange place is giving you an exchange of 6.47372, meaning after the decimal place you got 5 digits. So you are changing your 10,000 US dollars into renminbi. So what are you getting? You're getting 64,737 RMB 0.20 cents. Now in the previous case you got a value of 64,700 RMB. This was the previous case. Now in the next cambio you were given a certain specification and that had a value of 6.47372, and because of that you are now richer by 37 RMB. You follow what I'm trying to explain here? Now you are richer by 37.2 RMB because of the specification that they followed. Now if you have got 1 million US dollars and you are changing it into RMB with the first cambio or the first money exchange shop, the rate that they are going to be giving you is 6.47 because this is the specification that they are following. In that case, you would be getting 6,470,000 RMB. On the other end, if you were to go to the next cambio, and change your 1 million US dollars into renminbi, then they are going to be giving you a rate of 6.47372. This is the rate that they are giving you. So you are going to be getting 6,473,720 RMB. Now, if you were to check the difference against the first cambio, where you got 6,470,000, then you would be getting a difference of 3,720 RMB. That's a big money. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to show you here? That is, specification matters a lot. So format specifiers provides us with extensive specifications to effectively achieve what we need. So having said that, I'm going to be introducing you to a list of format specifications that C language uses. So this is very important. You got to know this, because knowing this would greatly help you in writing an effective program. So the first and foremost format specifier that I would like to introduce to you is the %d. Now this is used for integer data. And next one is %f. This is used for float types. So when I say float, that means it has a decimal point. Now the next type is what is called as %c. Now in this case, we would be using this for character data. The next one is %s. We would be using this to receive and print string data. Next one is %a. This is actually a data type where we can use it for float or for double. Double is bigger data type which has got decimal digits, and in this case it's going to be double exponential formats. And next is going to be %o. This data type is used for taking in integers with octal value. And next is going to be percentage and %u. This is to get in integers with unassigned decimals. The other specification I would like to tell you is %x. This takes in integer unsigned hexadecimal values. I will try to give examples for all of these. So now, having mentioned to you these format specifiers, let us follow this up with some good examples in programming.